Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here, and in the beginning, I'd like to recommend a blog of Grandmaster Durarbayli from Azerbaijan. I think his biggest problem is his surname, which is I think I can spell with 2 mistakes at least. But I checked Lichess, let's say, blogs, and I think he's by far the best. And he's why he's the best, because he writes these articles. Yeah, it's very easy to write some variations without any, let's say, wording. Yeah, but let's say Grandmaster Kovalenko talked about it. Yeah, that if you want to read something, yeah, to invest your time in reading, chess reading, yeah, check the blogs or books where a lot of things are explained in words. Yeah, because so many people just add variations which are, I mean, they're like castles in the air. Yeah, totally out of understanding of a regular chess player. And Grandmaster Durarbayli, he writes a lot of commentary in words, which is really good. Okay, so this position is between professional chess players. Mirzoev, possibly I think he's a Grandmaster as well, but not the strongest, and Grandmaster Bauer. So Black has played e4, e3. So what's the idea? Yeah, this pawn obviously has been pinned, and White attacked it with 3 pieces. Yeah, and with 4 basically, and so this was a threat. So Black played e3. So what happens here? Black's bishop on f5 is not protected, and I think grandmasters, when they see that they can, let's say, win this pawn, and they try to exchange as many pieces. So the best move here was elementary rook takes c3, and then let's say something like this, but you see that the bishops are not exchanged. Yeah, so they have 4 pieces on board. So these players, they want to capture more pieces, like take here, which is a mistake. And if what happened in the game, Black would have taken here, takes yeah, and b6. So players exchanged like 1 minor piece. That's how I understand it. And this position was is much better for White, but it ended up in a draw, and at some point Black was even winning. So that's why he took here, so to make the position, to make more exchanges, and Black took here. Yeah, I repeat it. But in this position, Black missed a very easy win. e2. Yeah, very nice move. So you see that Black is piece up. Yeah, but this rook just has nowhere to go. Yeah, it is attacked by the pawn, and no matter what White does, let's say knight to e5, so they take the rook. I'm sorry, it's not possible. Take with the king because of this queen f4 forking the bishop and king. And something like this will happen, and Black is exchange up and down a pawn, but White has terrible king, and Black is winning. So so we see that both players make mistakes, very easy mistakes. They can take here and win, so they miss this opportunity, and Black misses this opportunity, which will give him better chances to win. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.